A Metro woman's truck in trouble.
She dropped it off months ago to get the hail damage repaired. Since she says she can't get straight answers from the repair shop, she reached out to us.
News 4's Amaya Ward is looking out for her. Amaya.
Jolene, Kevin, Jeanette Taylor dropped her SUV off at Gerber's Collision and Glass back in December. She says that since then, she's been given the runaround as to when her vehicle will be fixed.
Enough is enough. I want my truck looking like it used to.
It was last year when Janet Taylor's Hummer was damaged by a hailstorm. Her insurance telling her to take it to Gerber Collision and Glass near Northwest 37th Street in early December. She's been in a rental car ever since.
It left damage on the top at the front of the dash of the hood, right below the windshield. It was big holes in it. They never gave me a time frame. They just took it in.
Taylor says the lack of communication from Gerber Collision and Glass has forced her to go up to the shop.
About a month and a half ago, I did an unexpected visit where everybody's eyes were big. Because I'll pop in like Mary Poppins when it comes to my stuff. It's looking like wires hanging down, lights hanging down. It looks terrible.
Just a couple of days ago, Taylor went to the repair shop again, only to see her vehicle in the exact same condition.
I said, well, you don't have this part for the hood, but what's up with not fixing the inside? Well, he said something like, well, we want to pull it in once. What do you mean you want to pull it in once? I was devastated.
So we went to Gerber Collision and Glass on Wednesday.
I'm not going to speak, and you can't film on property.
And again on Thursday.
He's not here. You'll have to, I'll give him your card.
Taylor says she's been met with constant excuses.
Well, he said that the parts had come in several times cracked.
Still in a rental car, Taylor says she wants her SUV fixed and back in her possession.
I want 100% service. I just want my car back.
The Gerber Collision and Glass manager told us his marketing person would be reaching out to us. We have also reached out to their corporate office several times. So far, we have not heard back.